Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add buttons and links in Hostinger Websites Builder at 2026. So the first step is opening the website builder, but before I do really want you to make sure that you already logged in to Hostinger with your account, and then just go and click on the websites option on the left side menu and then select the website list just like so, and after that just go and choose or select the website that you want to edit and just click on edit website next to it. After that, you will be forwarded into the website builder by Hostinger. So here, where you can add a button element. So you will need just go and click on add section, okay? And after that, you will need to choose whatever section. So for example, about, services, products, categories. So the section where you want the button to be on. So for example, we'll go with an existing one, okay? And to add a button, you will just need to go and click on elements right here and then just click on button, and there you go. So this button, you can place it wherever you want on the section, okay? So for example, we will go here, okay? And that button, we'll name it, for example, button, we'll name it as login, okay? And then you will need to add the login page just right here, okay? So you will need to have it ready on your site, and you can select the page exactly from here, okay? Also, you can select the style from here, the animation, etc. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.